Mura nairian lo means if I don't succeed. Okay? Mura nairian lo, and we'll talk about that. Okay? So let's go down before we continue to sentence A. The way you say if you come, I will be happy. Okay? Mahagantu be ahasora. So the word ma means if. We had that one actually last week or the week before. It lenites the following word. So mahagantu. Okay? And the way you say if you come literally means if you will come. But in Irish, and like you say in English, if you come, it's used the present tense. So literally it's if comes you. Okay? If come you. Ma hagantu, if you come, and it's understood it's if in the future you come. Be ahasorim, I will be happy, or there will be happiness on me. Okay? Ma hagantu be ahasorim. Now, if you want to say if you don't come, I'll be sad, there's a different word. Instead of saying if not or something like that, there's the word mura, and the word mura means if not. Okay, and it eclipses the following word. So, if you don't come is muradagantu. Okay, so if you don't come, I'll be sad. Muradagantu be bronorum. Okay, so in Irish is a completely different word for if and if not. Okay, the word ma unites and the word mura eclipses. Okay, and another example. If you get up at 6, you'll be on time. Ma airian tu egshe be tu anam. Okay, so airian means gets up. So ma airian tu if you get up. Egeshe at 6. Be tu an on. Oops, it shouldn't be an on. It should be an There's a typo in there.
A.M.
Yeah, it's a be tu. In in time, literally. Okay? Be to an And then if you don't get up at 6, you'll be late. Mura nairian tu egeshe be tu jenach. So literally, if not gets up to you at 6, will be you late. Okay? Mura nairian tu. Okay? So what would let's try a couple sentences. So what's this one? Ma'olan tu e beituchin.
If you drink it, you will be sick.
Yeah. Ma'olan tu e beituchin. How about
Don't.
Don't eat it.
You don't? Eat it, you'll get,
how about moranichen tu e be okrasor?
you'll be hungry.
You will be
Yeah.
You're hungry.
Moranichen tu e if you don't eat it be okrasor.
You'll be hungry.
Okay.
As you tell a child to eat the vegetables.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
Not hungry enough.
Yeah. Moranichen tu e ni asitu. If you don't eat it, you won't grow up. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So mora narian lom. So if I don't succeed, chokime irash is I will come back. Chokime irash, hoget to you. Okay. So the next thing we want to look at is the word tar, which means to come. Okay. So come in, tarischach. And this is an irregular verb. It changes all over the place. Okay. So tar is the command. Come in. Come. Tarischach. Come in. Okay. But if you want to say he came home a week ago, the word changes to hanig. So hanig she'awalya shachtanohin. So came he home a week ago. Hanig she'awalya shachtanohin, or a week from now.
And shaftan means...
Shaftan's a week. It comes from the word shaft, which is 7. Shaftan's a week. Okay? Say he comes home at 7. Tagan she'awalya shacht. Okay, it's good to be able to recognize the words, these common words in their different forms. So Tagan she awalya chef, he comes home at 7. To say he will come home tomorrow, Choki she awalya amarach. So Choki is the future. Choki she awalya amarach. Okay? And say he's coming home, Ta she ig chach awalya. Okay, so those are all forms of the same word. Tar, Hanig, Tagan, Choki, Ikchach. Okay? Those all mean come in different forms. Okay? So Moranaibi and Lom, Choki me erash hugit. I will come back to you. Agus Tori me Kaiga Mila Eurodich. So, and I will give you 50,000 euro. So this is the word Tori means will give. It's another common word, and it's also another irregular word, okay? So we're going to look at that one. So sentence J. The word tur we've had before, and that's give as a command. So give me a glass of water, please. Tur glina ishkadom lidaho. Okay, or tur dom and salt, give me the salt. Or tur dom and pepper, give me the pepper, okay? The past is hog, so he gave hog she glina ishkadom. So gave he a glass of water to me. Okay, and the present is togen. So togen she ishkadom gachla. So gives he water to me every day. Okay, togen she ishkadom gachla. And the future, which we have up above, is tori. So he will give me a glass of water. Tori she glina ishkadom. Okay. And the one you use meaning to give or giving is turt. So I asked him to give me a glass of water. Jir me glina ishke a hortum. So jir me means I asked him, literally I asked on him. Glina ishke, a glass of water, a hortum, to give to me. Okay? So those are all forms of the same word, tur. Okay? Give. So, mura nairi and lom, so if I don't succeed, choki me irash, I will come back, or choget to you. Agus tori me quegamila euro ditch, and I will give you 50,000 euro. Le tourt, to give. Okay, it's the same word we had down in the sentence. And le tourt. Dagriach, to, the D apostrophe comes from do, D-O, which means to. Dagriach is an organization. Karpanachta, charitable. Okay, Karpanach, charity. Dagre Karpanachta erbe ini. Raunoi to hain. Rauni is to choose. To choose. And Raunoi is will choose. So any organization that will choose to hain, you yourself. That you yourself will choose. Okay?
Did you say that word again, the R-O-G-H?
Raunoi.
Ranoi.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a program on Rajan Geall-Cuid called Taoist Rao, which is T-O-G-H-A and R-O-G-H-A. And it means Tao is to choose. They both mean choose, okay? Tao is used, for example, the word Tauhan is election. So that's the word used for Tao. And Rao is kind of like something that you want. Okay? So I think it was a music program, Rao was Tao. Okay. Let's try reading through that one. So, Mura Naidi Yenlom. Choki me erash hoget. Agus turi me koiga mila eurodich. Le tur dagriat harhanachta erbe. Around noi tu hain. Okay. Actually, we'll do one more sentence to finish this page off. Rishach. Ma airian lom be ortsa malava kricha agus pardu nagar lom. Okay. So but ma airian lom if I succeed. So the previous one you have mora nairian lom if I don't succeed. This one is if I do. Ma airian lom Be ortsa, it will be on you, or you will have to. Malavachricha, my hand to shake. Agus pardon agalom, and to beg my pardon, or pardon to ask of me. Okay? The word gal has many different uses too, but yeah. Pardon agalom. Okay. Yeah. You have various connotations of that one, but okay. So you'll see actually, buichas agal ladina is to thank someone. So pardon agal ladina is to ask someone's pardon. Buichas agal is to thank them. Okay.
Which is to ask?
Buichas. Yeah.
That's to,
Yeah, buichas lagia, and you'll see the expression. Yeah. You'll see buichas agal ladina also to ask to thank someone. Okay.